This is mushroom and sausage pasta, a pasta I grew up eating. In the region of Abruzzo where I'm from, we love this type of food. It's beautiful, it's creamy, the pasta is silky. The best part about this pasta, it only takes 10 minutes to make. Come on, let's make it together. To make this pasta, we need fresh egg tagliatelle. If you don't find tagliatelle, use pappardelle, use fettucine, but you kind of want these flat noodles for this pasta, okay? About 200 grams of brown mushrooms, 3 Italian sausages, 1 garlic clove, about 50 grams of butter, extra virgin olive oil, parsley, salt and pepper. Optional is the truffle. If you can find truffle or truffle slices, go for it. If not, it's okay. And the most important ingredient? The pecorino cheese. Now with mushrooms, I know people like to wash them and remove the skin. I don't like it. I like to wash it very well, but I don't like to remove the skin. Skin in vegetables have the flavors, have all the benefits. So for me, it's a no-no. Now we cut it into slices, or up to you. In Italy, I always use porcini mushrooms for this recipe, okay? But porcini mushrooms are not easy to find around the world, okay? So I would say those beautiful brown mushrooms is my choice if I can't get porcini. Whatever mushrooms you can find, you use. For the sausages, what you want to do is cut the sausage skin. If you can't find Italian sausages, use any sausages that you like. But of course, if you can find Italian sausages, go for it. These Italian sausages have fennel in it. What we do with the sausage is we squash the meat. So when we go and cook it, we don't have to do this in the pan. Okay, let's make the sauce. Extra virgin olive oil in the pan. Generous, about 3 or 4 tablespoons. Grate or crush the garlic. Maximum flavors. 2 tablespoons of water. Now on a medium heat. Now we put the mushroom inside. The mushrooms will take about 10 minutes to cook. The sausages just under 10 minutes. After 2 minutes, we add the sausages. Now the sausages are in. Make sure you stir and move the sausages around. At this point, lots of people will add white wine. The white wine will evaporate. We don't need it, but it will be good for the meat and the flavors. But you can also use water. I'm just adding a little bit of water, not too much. Salt, as much as you like. Pepper. This is when I add the butter. And we also put the parsley. Now let's spread the butter everywhere. You do need butter in this. I think the butter really takes the mushrooms to the next level. See how beautiful this sauce already is? This is a sauce for your pasta, guys. It's beautiful. Sausage and the mushrooms need about 2 or 3 more minutes before they're ready. That's how quick it is. Super, super quick. You know what the best part about this is the smell. The smell is so good. Dave, do you like the smell? So good. I want to put my face inside. Oh! All the liquid that we have inside the pan, it's gold liquid because that is what is giving flavors to our tagliatelle later on, that liquid, okay? And then the mushrooms and sausages is the topping. But the liquid is so important. That's what we got. That's what the water and the mushrooms have created together with the butter. See? Been 10 minutes, and to me, it's ready, okay? Now, if you want, you can add more butter, more extra virgin olive oil. It's completely up to you. To me, it's wet enough for the liquid to be absorbed by the pasta. But of course, if you're using double the amount of pasta, then you do need more liquid in here, because don't forget, the pasta absorbs the liquid, your sauce. Let's put a tablespoon of sea salt into the water. When the water boils, you add the tagliatelle. Straight away stir, and this pasta needs 5 minutes to cook. Always read the instruction on the packet. In the meantime, let's keep our sauce nice and warm. Pasta is simmering. Let's put the sauce back on for simmering so the pasta can go in and it can make love together. All the ingredients. Here we go. Beautiful. What you want to do is to get some pasta water, because maybe we need it, maybe not, we will see. Okay, at this point, what we do, we stir. Can you see how the pasta is absorbing all the liquid? And because this is egg pasta, it's a dried egg pasta, it absorbs even more. Can you see that? So what I recommend is to put a splash of water and start tossing. Now please don't put cream in this pasta. This pasta doesn't need cream, it just needs pecorino cheese. So what we do to get a pecorino cheese cream, we put a little bit of water, quickly toss. So we got a little bit of liquid there, switch off, and let's just be generous with the pecorino, okay? A nice amount of pecorino. You kind of want to cover the pasta with the pecorino, beautiful. Now you can toss, or you can mix. Up to you with a spoon, up to you. I'll just do this. Tossing, move the pecorino around. Can you see it's creamy without the cream? Let's put as much pecorino as you like. As you know, I like a lot of pecorino. So we put more. Beautiful. If you need more pasta water, go for it. But to me, can you see? You don't need any water. Look how creamy that is, see? See how thick the water is becoming? It's telling you that the pasta is ready to be served. Look at that, look how creamy. You can tell how creamy it is. Can you see? Is the video doing justice? Look. Can you see how creamy it is? Can you see how creamy it is? Can you see it? Please tell me you can see it. Look at the magic of butter, pasta water, and pecorino cheese. Look at the cream over there. Look at the cream. Stunning. All right, let's serve it. This is the best part. Look what we do now. We get all the ingredients and put them right on top. Make sure you get the cream. See that cream? See that cream in there? Make sure you get that. Get that. And put it right on top. On top of the pasta, yeah, beautiful. I was very generous with the ingredients, very generous. If you have truffle, this is the time you add the truffle. If you don't, it's okay. I have it, so I'm going to add some truffles on top. You really take this dish to the next level with some truffle. Let's sprinkle some parsley on top. With a bit of pecorino cheese, and here we have it. Look how creamy this pasta is. You see the cream at the bottom? Can you see that? Can you see that cream? Look at that. That's a beautiful, natural cream. Look at this. Look at that. The sausage is covered by the cream, the mushrooms as well. It's full of cream. But we didn't use any cream. Can't wait to try this one. Oh my God. Look at that. I've got mushroom full of cream. I've got the pasta. It's like I'm not afraid though, to be honest. Wow. 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 This is a 10 minutes pasta that everybody can make, and I believe everybody will love. So please try yourself, try this. This will make your life so much tastier. Please give it a try. Thank you so much for watching this episode. I will see you in the next Vincenzo's Plate video recipe. E ora si mangia. Vincenzo's Plate.